In Buddhism, the ultimate goal is enlightenment, often described as liberation from suffering. This journey is deeply personal and transformative, guiding individuals towards a profound understanding of life and existence. This state, called nirvana, is not a place but a state of being free from attachments and illusions. It represents the cessation of desire and the end of the cycle of rebirth, leading to ultimate peace. It's about awakening to the true nature of reality and experiencing lasting peace and happiness. This awakening is often described as seeing things as they truly are, beyond the veil of ignorance and delusion. The path to enlightenment involves understanding the Four Noble Truths and practicing the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are the foundation of Buddhist teachings, offering insight into the nature of suffering and the way to overcome it. These teachings provide a framework for ethical conduct, mental discipline, and wisdom. The Eightfold Path, which includes right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration, serves as a practical guide to living a life that leads to enlightenment. While the goal is the same for everyone, the approach can differ for those living as monks and those living as lay people. Monks often dedicate their entire lives to spiritual practice, living in communities that support their journey. Both paths offer unique advantages and challenges. Monks benefit from a structured environment and the support of their monastic community, while lay people integrate their practice into everyday life, balancing spiritual pursuits with worldly responsibilities. Ultimately, the key to enlightenment lies in sincere practice, regardless of one's external circumstances. Whether one is a monk or a layperson, the commitment to mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom is what truly matters. The journey to enlightenment is a lifelong process, filled with moments of insight and growth, leading to a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. Yogacara, a prominent school of Buddhist thought, emphasizes the role of the mind in shaping our reality. This ancient philosophy delves deep into the nature of consciousness and how it influences our perception of the world around us. It suggests that our perceptions and experiences are projections of our own consciousness. Essentially, what we see, hear, and feel are all filtered through the lens of our mind, which can often distort or enhance our reality based on our mental state. This doesn't mean the external world doesn't exist, but rather that our understanding of it is filtered through our mental constructs. Our thoughts, emotions, and past experiences all play a crucial role in how we interpret the world. For instance, a serene lake might evoke peace in one person, while another might feel a sense of melancholy. By purifying our minds and cultivating wholesome thoughts, we can transform our experience of reality and move closer to enlightenment. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and ethical living are tools that help in this purification process. They allow us to see the world more clearly and respond to it with wisdom and compassion. Yogacara teachings are particularly relevant to both monks and lay people as they highlight the importance of mental discipline and mindfulness in daily life. Whether one is in a monastery or living a busy urban life, the principles of Yogacara can be applied to cultivate a more mindful and harmonious existence. By understanding and harnessing the power of the mind, we can navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and insight. So let's talk about finding enlightenment in our everyday lives. It's a concept that often feels elusive, something reserved for monks in monasteries or yogis on mountaintops. But what if I told you that enlightenment is accessible to each and every one of us, right here, right now? It's not just about meditating on a mountaintop or retreating into silence, you know? While those experiences can be transformative, they are not the only paths to enlightenment. In fact, the true essence of enlightenment lies in our ability to find peace and clarity amidst the chaos of everyday life. It's about integrating those moments of clarity and peace into our daily routines. Think about the small, seemingly mundane activities we engage in every day. Washing dishes, walking the dog, or even waiting in line at the grocery store. Each of these moments holds the potential for mindfulness and enlightenment. Imagine bringing mindfulness into your morning coffee ritual. Instead of rushing through it, take a moment to savor the aroma, feel the warmth of the cup in your hands, and truly taste each sip. This simple act can transform your morning and set a peaceful tone for the rest of your day, or practicing compassion while stuck in traffic. Instead of feeling frustrated, take a deep breath and send a silent wish of well-being to the drivers around you. This shift in perspective can turn a stressful situation into an opportunity for growth and connection. These small acts can lead to profound changes. Over time, they accumulate and create a ripple effect, enhancing not only our own well-being but also the well-being of those around us. It's the little things that make a big difference. Remember, enlightenment isn't a distant goal, it's a journey we embark on every day. It's about being present, being mindful, and finding joy in the here and now. Each step we take on this path brings us closer to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. So, take a deep breath, stay present, and let's embrace the path to enlightenment in the here and now. It's a journey worth taking, and it starts with the simple, everyday moments that make up our lives. In the journey towards enlightenment, wisdom is not confined to monks or scholars. Even a layperson, through mindful living and sincere practice, can attain profound insights. It's about integrating the teachings into everyday life, allowing wisdom to flourish in the most ordinary moments. Challenges are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth. By embracing difficulties with a mindful attitude, we can transform them into valuable lessons. Each challenge faced and successfully overcome strengthens our resolve and deepens our understanding of the path. Dedication is key in the pursuit of enlightenment. It requires consistent effort, known as right effort, to cultivate positive states of mind and abandon unwholesome ones. This dedication propels us forward, helping us maintain focus and determination on the path. The journey to enlightenment is not a destination but a continuous process. It's about embracing each step with patience, compassion, and an open heart. By doing so, we enrich our lives and move closer to the ultimate goal of liberation and peace.